Hello everybody, my name is Ermi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this row counter bracelet. If you're a knitter or a crocheter and you need to count your rows or your rounds, this is the bracelet for you. It's very simple to make. So if you want to know how to make it, well, keep on watching. So the materials that you're going to need to make these bracelets, row counters, are nylon silk cord beads that can be plastic or glass beads, whatever you want, a lighter, scissors, and a needle. You're gonna cut 2 pieces of 40 inches or 1 meter of your nylon silk cord and one of 20 inches of half of a meter. Alright, so you're gonna take one of the 40 inches long or 1 meter long piece of thread and you're going to make a knot, but not too tight, in more or less 10 centimeters or 4 inches. And you're gonna make your knot. You're gonna put your knot under the clip like so, and then you're gonna take your beads. Make sure that the beads are wide enough that can be on the both thread size. I don't know how to say that, but you get me. You just get one bead and get one thread, put it from one side to another, and then you take the other one and you do the exactly same thing, and then you pull. You're gonna do this with your 9 beads. Once you finish to put all of your 9 beads, you're gonna make another one with the same colors or with a different color. I like to make one of rainbow color kind of thing and the other one with black as the one I'm wearing right now. Once that you did this, you're gonna put both of the knots under the clip, and then you're gonna take a piece of Scotch tape. Can be whenever, doesn't have to be one kind. And then you're gonna put your 4 threads like this. The exterior ones to be like this, and the middle ones are going to be like this. It's a little bit difficult to explain, but you get me. Now you're gonna tape this, and then you're gonna make a flat knot. I have no idea if that's the name in English, but it's really simple. You're gonna make a seam like so over the 2 strands. Then you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it under and through the middle, and then you're gonna pull. Then on the other side you're gonna make a P, kind of like a P. Then you're gonna take this, put it under these 2 in the middle of this, and then you're gonna pull. And again you're gonna make a C, and then you're gonna take this over, under, and through the middle, and then you're gonna pull. And you're gonna do this 6 times. This is the 3rd time. You're gonna make P, over, under, then the middle, and then you're gonna pull. This is our 4th time. You're gonna make the C. I'm doing it faster because I already told you. This is the 5th time, and this is the 6th time. There you go. After you do this, you unclip, and then you're gonna do the same, exactly same thing on the other side. You're gonna put your flat knot in the clip. We're gonna undo the knots. That's why you don't have to make them so tight. Then you're gonna pull. Oh, sorry, and then you're gonna cut. Because remember, there was the loop at the beginning. And you're gonna do exactly the same thing. The threads that are in the middle, you're gonna tape them. And then you're gonna make the C and the P, the flat knot. But in this case, you have to be very careful because you have to leave a space. This space is going to help us to count. It's like this one here. So every time I do a round, just pull one, and then two, and then three, etc. So let's make the same thing. Now you unclip this, and then you're gonna take your scissors and try to cut it really close. You cut, and then with your lighter you're going to burn it. Be very careful about this. And with the flat surface of the lighter, you're going to push so it melts in the knot. I don't know if you can see that. And you're gonna make that with the other side as well. Be very careful of not cutting this, because this has to be long in order for the bracelet to fit in your wrist. Okay, so I'm gonna make exactly the same thing on the other side. We cut, and then we burn it, and then we fuse it. Fuse it? Is that the correct word? I'm so sorry, English is not my first language, as you can probably notice, and I don't live in the US, so I don't speak English all day long. Just at work. There you go. Now that you have this, you're gonna take the other piece of thread, the 20 inches piece of thread, and we're gonna make a special knot. I don't remember how it's called, but if I remember, I'm going to put it right there. So in this case, you can take any kind of closeness. You can even make a knot on your wrist, but I don't like it. I like this knot better. So I'm going to teach you how to make it. You're gonna take your piece of thread and you're gonna put it on your needle, like this. You're gonna take the two pieces of your bracelet and you're gonna cross them, like so. Then, this is kind of tricky, but you'll get it. You're gonna take your thread on the other side where the needle is, and you're gonna put it across, like so. Then you're gonna make 4 loops from the front to the back, like this. 1, then 2, like this, then 3, and 4. Once that you do this, you're gonna take your thread and you're gonna put it right there. Again, this is optional. You can easily take a clip and put it on the bracelet or make a knot. Once that you do that, you're going to remove your finger and you're gonna pull like this. Once that you have this, you're gonna take these two, you're gonna pull, and then you're gonna do exactly the same thing that we did before. You're gonna cut, burn, and fuse it. Once you have that, you're gonna pull your string like this, and then you're gonna measure and cut the rest. Now make a small knot on the tips like this, and then you're gonna do exactly the same thing. You're gonna burn them and fuse them Be careful, this is a dangerous part of the tutorial if you're a kid. Ask your parents for help. And if you're an adult and you still feel like a kid, well, be careful. Like this. I'm so sorry if this tutorial confuses you. This is my first video tutorial on YouTube, so I know it's not perfect. So I'm going to remove the old one and I'm going to put this one on my wrist, and I'm going to show you how to use it. To just put it like that and just pull. And there you go, you have your row counter. So every time that you need to count, you just have to pull the thread, so it's pull the bead. So it's round 1, round 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once that you reach 9, you put the beads to the other side and then you pull it the 10, 11, 12, etc. I hope you like it, and if you do, thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you don't, share it with your enemies. Well, see you next time for the next tutorial. Bye.